Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to spot for simple console fixes. Today, we're tackling a super annoying issue, PS3 controller drifting. If your PS3 controller moves on its own or your aim keeps sliding, stay tuned. We'll fix it step by step, and best of all, no tools needed. Start by turning off your PS3 completely using the power button. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS3 for a clean reset. Now grab your PS3 controller and disconnect it from any USB cable. Press and hold the PS button in the center for about 10 seconds. This will help discharge any leftover power from your PS3 controller. Release the button and set the PS3 controller down for a few seconds. Next, grab a soft dry cloth and gently wipe around both analog sticks. Slowly rotate each stick in full circles to loosen any trapped dust. Don't use liquid cleaners. We're keeping this completely tool-free. Now blow lightly around the base of each analog stick. This helps remove tiny bits of dirt that cause drifting on your PS3 controller. Next, locate the small reset button on the back of your PS3 controller. Use a paperclip or toothpick to gently press it once and release. Hold it in for about 5 seconds to perform a hard reset. Now reconnect your PS3 controller to the PS3 using the USB cable. Power on your PS3 console and wait for it to recognize the controller. Press the PS button to repair the controller with your PS3. Once connected, test both analog sticks in the XMB menu. Move them slowly in all directions and check for smooth response. If the PS3 controller still drifts slightly, don't worry, there's another step. Go to the PS3 settings menu using your controller. Scroll down to Accessory Settings and select Controller Settings. Choose Calibrate Motion Sensor Function. Place your PS3 controller flat on a hard surface and press X to start calibration. Keep it perfectly still during calibration to reset its sensors. When complete, move the sticks again to test improvement. If drifting persists, repeat the calibration one more time. Now disconnect the controller again and press the reset button a second time. Reconnect the USB cable and power cycle your PS3 one more time. Unplug the PS3 for 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Wait until the dashboard fully loads before touching the controller. Then, press the PS button to reconnect it again. Slowly move both analog sticks and check if the movement is stable. Try navigating menus or moving the cursor in the browser to test accuracy. If the drift is gone, congrats, your PS3 controller is fixed. If it's still there slightly, rotate each stick 360 degrees 10 times. Push both sticks down gently to recenter the springs inside. Sometimes light mechanical realignment clears out the last drift. Now disconnect the controller one final time. Press and hold the PS button for 10 seconds again. This final discharge helps stabilize the internal calibration. Reconnect to your PS3 console using the USB cable. Wait for the lights on the PS3 controller to stop blinking. That means your controller is now synced properly. Open any PS3 game to test the analog sticks in real motion. Try small, precise movements to confirm drift is fully gone. If everything feels right, unplug the USB cable. Use the PS3 controller wirelessly to check for consistent performance. Move in all directions and make sure it stops when you release the stick. Congratulations, you've just fixed PS3 controller drift without tools. Remember, keeping your PS3 controller clean helps prevent future drift. Store it in a dust-free place and avoid pressing too hard on the sticks. If the issue returns, repeat the reset and calibration steps. These quick fixes can make any PS3 controller feel brand new again. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, your home for easy PlayStation fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more PS3 repair videos.